Welcome to our channel. If you want to access free trial subscriptions and premium services included with professional association memberships, follow these step-by-step instructions to claim these career-enhancing benefits. Step 1. Research professional associations relevant to your career field, such as industry-specific organizations, trade groups, or professional development associations that offer member benefits. Step 2. Visit the websites of associations you're interested in joining and navigate to their member benefits or membership perks pages to see what digital services and trials are included. Step 3. Review the partnerships between your chosen association and service providers, which often include free trials or discounted subscriptions to industry publications, learning platforms, or professional software. Step 4. Join the professional association by completing the membership application and paying any required dues. Some associations offer reduced rates for students, early career professionals, or new members. Step 5. After your membership is processed, log in to the association's member portal using your credentials to access the full list of available benefits and partnership offers. Step 6. Navigate to the digital benefits section and select the free trials you want to activate. Many associations provide unique redemption codes or direct links for members to access partner services. Step 7. Click activation links or copy promotional codes provided in the member portal, then follow the instructions to create accounts or upgrade existing accounts on partner service platforms. Step 8. Complete the redemption process for each service trial, which may require verification of your association membership through your member ID number or association email address. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.